Japanese, it means to transform or to change. We wanted to leave our Japanese, roots there, so we picked the word HENNGE. And why we choose the word HENNGE, that means to transform or to change, is because after the several decades of this company's history, we finally found that the most important thing that we should care about is to keep ourselves transforming and keep ourselves changing. Because first, that is very important if you want to survive in this changing world, in this transforming world. And second, it's very important if we want to realize our corporate philosophy, liberation of technology, because we want to deliver the power of technology to our customers. And in order to do that, we have to keep changing ourselves, keep trying on new things every day, and keep failing every day, and keep learning something new every day, and eventually deliver the fruit of our never-ending challenge and fails and learning to our customers. So that's why we chose HENNGE as our company's name. There's always a gap between the technologies and the customer. Because technology keeps evolving, there will be great technology seeds coming out, but it's not always available for the customers. And there's always a gap between those technical people and the non-technical people. So we want to fill in that gap. And I think this gap will exist forever because technology is evolving every day and there will be new technology coming in. And we believe in the power of technology. So we want to deliver the power of technology to as many people as we can. So we view that gap, the huge gap between the technology and the customers, as a social problem, and we want to solve it by trying to filling in the gap. But this is not something that could be filled easily. This gap will remain there forever as long as the technology is evolving. So this would be a never-ending story. There will be always a gap between technologies and the customers, and someone has to keep filling in the gap, and we want to be the gap filler there. Our value is to change ourselves, to keep changing ourselves, and we call that, let's try to keep eating unripe fruits. That means we should try a new technology or newer something faster than anyone else, earlier than anyone else, and know whether that is edible or not, and find out value inside those new unripe fruits. And most of the time it's not ready, or we find out that it's not edible. But that itself is a great learning, and we can find out what kind of technology is coming next, or what kind of pros and cons each technology has, and we can deliver that information to our customers. Or even better, maybe we can make a solution to that technology, or combine one technology and another technology to create something new. So eating unripe fruits is one of the most important value of us.